In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a certificate of completion on Canva. So on your search bar, let us search for certificates, and you'll be able to see thousands of templates. Click which one you think is perfect for your theme. This one, I like this, so let's customize that template. And there you go. Now, if you'd like to change colors, click on those elements and edit. You can change the filters. That can also change the color, just like that, if it's like black and white themed. And then change the name, melody, change the details, of course, the people who need to sign. And you have already created your certificate of completion on Canva. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.